Don't be trapped in this kind of linear equation. Let square root s minus 7 be a. S is equal to a squared plus 7. So square root s plus 9 becomes what? Square root a squared plus 16. 7 plus 9 will give you 16. Now, the equation now becomes square root a squared plus 16 plus a is equals to 8. So transfer this radical. Now have square root a squared plus 16 is equals to 8 minus a. Take the square of both sides. Square root a squared plus 16 is equals to 8 minus a squared. This one cancel this. So now have a squared plus 16 is equals to, now when you expand this, you have 64 minus 16a plus a squared. So subtract a squared from both sides, you have 16 is equals to 64 minus 16a. So 16a is equals to 64 minus 16. 16a is equals to 48. Divide both sides by 16 to get a. A is equals to 3. Remember we said that s is equals to square root a square. S is equals to a square minus 7. Is that not? So s is equals to 3 square plus 7 from the beginning. So now I have s is equals to what? 9 plus 7. S is equals to what? 16. Now, to verify whether the answer is correct, to check whether the answer is correct. Now, square root 16 plus 9 plus square root 16 minus 9 is equals to 8. Square root 25 plus square root 16 minus 9 and 16 minus 7, that's 9, right? So square root 25 will give you what? 5 plus 3. Square root 9 is 3. Is equals to 8. 8 is equals to 8. Verified.